Last chance, you haven't used it now. Oh. Down your knees, roll over. Shit, roll over.
I'll be freezing, bro.
Thank you, sir.
Obstruction resistant. You did not. You're not an officer. I work here.
Yeah, I do work here. Wow, man, you racist. I'm an officer. I'm 41.
The guy's a piece of shit is what he is, man. I'm sorry.
Alright, man, roll over. Up on your bus. You're not.
Dog tag.
That doesn't make you an officer.
I'm an officer.
Well,
It
you
does
do.
make I'm an officer.
Oh. Alright. Shit. Drugs or mental health?
I'm not high.
Not high, so
Yeah,
mental
I'm
health.
not high. I'm trying to tell you. I'm an officer.
Alright.
I am in area 51. Command. Oh, shit. It's
Awkward. This is gonna be a real awkward report meeting.
I'm on the way, bro. I'm a police officer.
Whose car is that, for the record?
Jay's, can I have my bag and car keys? Got my bag and car keys. With my Uber knife. Got my Uber knife. I don't have no weapons. It was a.
Other than the fake gun that you use up here?
I don't have no weapons.
The knife you just hold on?
It's a. Yeah, it's a screwdriver.
Yeah, he got a knife.
I don't have no knife.
Yeah, you do, you motherfucker. You're lucky I didn't shoot you with the shotgun. You're lucky you're alive.
Can you grab my Russian roulette club?
We'll get whatever you need before you go
I
to
know what they do. Shit.
Lucky to be alive, brother. You're lucky I called the. You're lucky I called them.
You saw the meeting, drunk. I smell his breath. Drunk.
Don't matter if I'm drunk. I can come home drunk. I can come home drunk to my house all day long as there ain't no motherfucker in my car.
You saw the meeting.
I wasn't driving.
Can I have my shit? Can I have my bag and car keys?
I don't know what you're talking about. It's unfortunate. Hearing them birds chirping, they're happy for justice. The birds of justice. They ain't stopping either. Hey, I do want to file a restraining order on him. That way, if he comes back, I have to.
You're not helping anything.
No, I'm serious. I'm not trying to aggravate anything, but
You are.
he's going to be mad.
Go inside. We'll come talk to you in just a minute.
Okay, that'll work. I will do that. Absolutely. Thank you, officer.